know, the Beatles, Hey Jude, doesn't really need an introduction at all, but I'm Steve and I'm going to try to show it to you in under 3 minutes. Let's just get right to it. You start off with the capo on the 3rd fret and it's in D major. So for the most part right there, you heard me going Hey Jude, D major, down to A major, back to D major, remember G major, D major, and you can start A major to D, right there. And you saw for a minute there, when I went to that A, then you can start, you go to an A7th. So check the link in the description for the chord charts, A7th, right? And it repeats it again, Hey Jude, don't be afraid, A7th right there, D, G, D, A, make it better, right? And then when it goes into the chorus, it goes from a D major to a D7th. Does this build up right there on a D7th, which is really cool. It's cool, the Beatles right there. And then it goes into a G. Now you can see here, I'm playing the G with both fingers on that 6th fret of the E and the B string. So, and then check out my video on how to do walk downs. I show you all these walk downs that you need to know to go from beginner to intermediate. It goes like this. G, sort of do a D major shape, but you put your thumb right here. It's technically going to like a B minor kind of thing, but this is how it sounds way better. To an E minor. And this is a little bit of a D major. You put your first finger on the G string right there, but keep these fingers here. Just for a second, it sort of sounds weird, but it's a little bridge to get you back to the A major. And you can add an A7th and back to the D. Then it goes to D7th again. Then it does that walk down G to that little B thing, but it's the thumb on the 5th fret. E minor to like that D right there. You're not really hitting the low notes. To A major, D, and then it goes la da da da. La da da, D7th, da, A7th, da da da. You know that A7th right there? Then it does the whole verse and the whole chorus again. And the big key to the whole end of the song is when it goes to make it better. You know, better, 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 better. You know, all that high stuff right there. It's amped out on D major when it does that. And it goes, you know, la, 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 C major, C major, G major, A, G, D major, D, la da 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 da, C major, la da da da, G major, A, G, D major. And it does that forever and ever and ever until it turns into the biggest party and someone in your crowd's going, Jude, Jude, you know, that kind of stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments. Pause and rewind it if you need to. It's not that hard if you just learn those chords and have some fun with it. It's a great party song. Let me know in the comments and I'll catch you later for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.